Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today friends we'll do comparison between three tools: AI, Bolt and Lovable and Replit. So guys, we know the best tools. Let's get started. Let's get started with Bolt. Bolt is AI tools. You can create, setting apps and website by chatting with AI. You have this right with chat, write anything, for example, to create apps, and you can build mobile apps, and it's super easy and fast, and you make dashboard charts, and you can describe your app and idea like to-do lists, and just click login from here, and you have built the code for you for front end and back end. Lovable, guys, it is also great tools for developer. You can quickly start things from scratch, and you powered made for people who don't have any idea about codes. You can chat with, say, want to like sample store app. You can create nice looking apps just like this templates, and it is easy to use. And just try to click any, for example, any one here, and you can choose remix from here, and you can start editing the app. Replit app, so guys, you can describe your app site, and you can create your apps. You can develop art on your apps, and this is my new recent project. Just click create project from here, and you can start using templates from here. You can create Replit agents. You can import your coding from GitHub. Just connect your GitHub. This is the three power AI tools. You can start with anyone. You can do. I have, guys, this tool. It's good tool, also available for beginning. Thanks guys for watching this video.